How to create this beautiful animation in Flutter. I have this page 1 and page 2 widgets, and we are ready to do this animation. For the first thing you should do is wrap the whatever you want, like image or logo or what. Wrap this widget with a hero widget like this, and the hero widget will take a parameter named tag. You can name this tag whatever you want. I like logo tag. And inside the page 2, the next page, you should do the same thing like this. Wrap it with hero widget and give tag property like previous one, a logo. So we give logo tag in this hero widget, and the same thing as above in logo widget. So after we restart the application, we should have this beautiful animation like this.